Let's make chicken wings. For this recipe, you're gonna need the following ingredients. After mixing well, let it rest for 30 minutes, or ideally 1 to 2 hours. For even better flavor, marinate up to 24 hours. Just be careful not to exceed 24 hours, as the meat can become mushy. We'll use double frying method, which enhance crispiness and texture by cooking the food during the first fry, and creating a crunchy exterior in the second. It retains moisture, boosts flavor, and keeps the food crispy longer. For the first stage, the temperature should be about 275 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have a thermometer, simply cook over medium heat for about 25 to 30 minutes, checking for doneness as you go. This method will help ensure your dish is perfectly cooked. Cook the wing sauce for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat and keep stirring it occasionally to prevent burning. For the second frying stage of chicken wings, typically fry them for about 75 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are golden brown and crispy. I highly recommend serving the chicken wings with a side of fresh yogurt. It's a perfect pairing you'll absolutely love. For the recipe, be sure to check out my yogurt tutorial on YouTube. If you enjoyed the recipe, I'd love for you to consider subscribing. Thanks a lot. Catch you in the next video. Peace.